Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on the loading screen on your PC device. This is going to be a very easy solution, so make sure to watch until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So if you launch the game and you're stuck on the loading screen inside, then there's multiple solutions for that. First, close the launcher. Click Confirm. Then you're going to right click on the app itself and then go to Properties. Now, first thing you're going to do is going to go to the installed files, and then from here you're going to verify the integrity of game files. Now, this solution can be very useful because it will scan through all the folders and make sure not a single one is corrupt, which will make the loading screen go forever. Now, some of you might have the option where they can transfer the game to another folder. Now, if you have multiple SSDs, then that can be also useful as well because your current drive might be a bit corrupted. Finally, you're going to go to the browse section and then you're going to search for the application Marvel Rivals underscore launcher.exe, right click it, properties, compatibility, and make sure that this box is checked, run the program as administrator. Once you do that, click apply and then OK. For the final step, you're going to search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on that, and now as you can see right here, you're going to disable it. So you're going to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then from here, you're simply going to turn it off. And then once you do that, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.